I'm Andrew Ball. I work for R G Newby, agricultural contractor in North Yorkshire. We're an agricultural contractor, covered all aspects of contracting and farming, mainly muck-spreading being one of them. We spread around 70,000 tonnes of muck and other products throughout the year, such as chicken muck, farmyard muck, digestate, gypsum, lime, you name it, we spread it, all within a 25-mile radius. We got our first Richard Weston spinning disc spreader this time last year, about a year ago. We got the first one to try it out and see whether we liked it and whether it spread the products right, and then followed up in spring with a second one to meet the demand and cover the ground as we could. The main things we like about them is the build quality is very good, fairly simple to use as we've gone down the Griffith Elder control box instead of Isobus, quite accurate as well. The main reason we went for the Griffith Elder box was you could easily move it from tractor to tractor. If that tractor didn't have Isobus, you could swap it over and use it on anything really. We spread a lot of different products. Spread consistency over all of them products is very good. Spreading from 12 metres on drier products up to 24 metres on wetter products. We like the size of the hopper. You can get very good loads on in a dry time if need be, and if you're putting high rates on, you need that to be able to get to the other end of the field. The build quality of them we think is very good. We had a trip down to the factory to have a look round and we were very impressed, especially with the 20mm bed chains and the lats that are in on the floors, very strong compared to other brands. When we went to the factory, we could see the build quality was there, and the product and the paint and everything was right, and that gave us more confidence within the spreader. To maintain them, fairly easy. A lot of grease points are on banks, underneath adjust your shafts, so it's fairly easy to maintain. It's got self-oilers on it, so you just flick a switch in the cab and it oils your chains for you. Also really like the hydraulic bed tensioners, ease of use really. You can just look at the gauge, see where you need to be, and then just use the hydraulic pump on the side, hand pump. With the big bed chains, you very rarely need to change them really. The three reasons we chose Richard Weston mainly was the build quality, the 20mm bed chains, real strong, and it's not as power hungry as other brands that are out there as we've found. In summary really, we're loving the build quality and the output we're able to get with them, and the choice to be able to spread different widths and different products.